Matras, one end.
Adamawa state government imposed 24 hours curfew as youth went on rampage, looting both government stores and private properties over hardship in the state. You see what is going on? You see what is going on? You see? This is what happens in a country where half of the masses or majority of the masses decided to choose tribe and religion over competency, over capability, and over those who are able and capable, who have proven themselves that they have what it takes to change the face of the country. You see, these people who are doing this looting now in Adamawa state now, these are the same people that will still come out tomorrow and tell you that Adamawa state alone is bigger than Southeast. You see, the same Adamawa state that is bigger than Southeast have almost 90-something% of them living in poverty. Since Tinubu took over power, have you ever seen any person from Southeast begging on the street? Have you ever seen any news coming out from the Southeast where people are looting shops because of hardship? The answer is no. Most of the people who even supported P2B, so many of them have what it takes to leave the country when the things become hot. When the thing become hot, when the hardship become unbearable, they have the money to leave the country and go for a better country. But some of you who don't even have anywhere else to go, some of you who don't even have options, some of you who don't even have money to even eat even 2 square meals a day, were the one against P2B taking over the power. He supported Tinubu because he's not a Southeasterner, he's not an Igbo man. He supported Tinubu because he's a Muslim. And I want to ask you today, what have you supporting Tinubu because he's a Muslim and not an Igbo man? What have you done to your life? Have you made your life to become better? Are you now buying fuel cheaper than those who supported P2B? Are you now enjoying more life better than those who supported P2B? The insecurity situation in your side, is it now better more than those who supported P2B? This is the answer, this is the question you're supposed to be asking yourself. What have really changed? What is that benefit that you have enjoyed differently from those who supported P2B? So many of you were mocking those who supported P2B. You are making it like a mockery, thinking that you are doing anybody, not know that you are doing yourself. Look at them. It's not even up to 4 months that Tinubu took power. They are already looting people's shop because of hardship. I never see anything. Since I was born to date, it has been Yoruba and Hausa people ruling the country. What has it changed? Has it now make those 2 tribes to become more better than the other ones who have not ruled the country before? Is it not yet time for us to reason and think and know that the situation in this country is not what we should allow tribe and religion to decide for us what we should be doing and who we should vote into power? Is it not yet enough evidence for us to know that all these things we have been doing, we have been getting it wrong? Every time, every election, these people come in and divide the country, divide the minds of the youth with religion and tribalism. And at the end of the day, the youth will be the one to suffer it. Can't you see it? Can't you see it? People are now looting people's shop because of hardship. Funny enough, these people who are looting this shop now might be people who supported APC government. And it is funny now that those who they are looting their shop now might be P2B supporters' shop that they are looting. Can you see how funny it is? It is high time we should start asking ourselves questions. because it's like suffer no dey tire us.